Welcome. In today's documentary, we will show you the never-before-seen world of Bronies with hidden camera footage made by our undercover cameraman. Bronies, who are the fans of the new My Little Pony cartoon series, are most commonly found on the internet, but this peaceful group organized a meeting outdoors. When Bronies meet, they fight for dominance, but instead of physical power, they use memes or quotes from the show. After the duel, they appoint their leader, whose reward is that he can wear the Bronies' crown, the fedora. The Bronies, in order to ensure their survival, make a sacrifice for their goddess Lauren Faust. The sacrifice is traditionally a virgin who is chosen randomly so everyone has the same chance. The sacrifice is performed by their earlier chosen leader and is done with the horn of a unicorn. Not long after, the group's peaceful day is disturbed by an unusual phenomenon. An extremely rare female brony, also known as a pegasister, appears. The males instantly begin to perform their individual mating dances. The choice depends on the pegasister. One of the Bronies spot a pony doll in the distance. Many Bronies collect dolls, such as this one, so he's going to try to get it. However, he doesn't notice that it's a trap set by the natural predators of the Bronies, the trolls, who quickly capture the young Brony. The rest of the group tries to save their friend with love and toleration, which is the Bronies' unique weapon. However, they do not succeed. Since the group mostly consists of males, the only way of reproduction is initiation. In order to demonstrate this, we asked our cameraman to say that "I am not a brony yet." The reaction is instant. Our cameraman's location is still unknown.